Hello, this is Vasanth Williams. You are 16CS089. Today I'll explain the program for function operator overload using a class named circle. I have one data member R which is going to store the radius of that object. And I have few functions in the public void in to take input of the data member, that is radius. To display the radius I have another function display. Now I have a operator overloading function here. So first I'm using circle, which is the class name. Since I'm going to return an object here, I'm using the return type circle. Now a keyword operator is must to in order to do operator overloading. Now this is the operator which we are going to overload, that is plus. Now I have a formal argument. In this case it is an object of the class circle with the name x. I'm creating another temporary variable, temporary object named temp. Now in the temp.r, that is the radius of the object temp is made like r plus x of r. R is the radius of the calling object and x is the uh, x dot r is the radius of this object we have created here. Now I'm going to return the object temp. Now I have another operator overloading function. In this case I'm not going to return anything, so I've kept it void operator keyword, and then this is the operator we're going to overload, that is greater than symbol. Now the same way I have another forma argument which is again a object of the class circle. Now if I'm comparing r greater than x dot r is the radius of the calling object. If it is greater than the radius of the second object, that is this object, then I'm going to display first circle is larger, else I'm going to display second circle is larger. And in the main function I have created three objects by the of the class circle. Now I'm asking the user to enter the radius of the first circle, c1.in. This will call this function and take the input r. Similarly, I'm asking for the radius of second object. I'm taking input by calling this function. Now I'm going to call the operator overloading function. That is c3 equal to c1, which is the calling object, plus is the name of the function, and then c2. So c1 is the calling object. So here we are putting r, simply r. So this r is basically the radius of the object c1, and then this c2 is the formal argument which is passed here. So c2's radius is x dot r. So in this way we have called it, and then we are going to display radius of third circle, that is the sum of the radius of the two circle will be displayed. Now I'm checking if c1 is greater than c2. So this c1 is the calling object, so r is the radius of the object c1. Now c2 is passed here as x. So x dot r is radius of the second object, that is c2. So this I have explained. Now let us see the output of this program. So it asks radius of first circle is 10, radius of second circle, radius of third circle is 30, which is the sum of both the circle, and second circle is larger. Thank you.